Toenail fungus. You can't stand the idea of something gross growing on your toenails. These fungal nail infections are also known as onychomycosis and are very common. They may affect up to 14% of the general population. So, what to do? The causes of toenail fungus are an overgrowth of a pathogenic fungus or fungi that cause disease in humans or other organisms. These include dermatophytes, yeasts, or molds, and everyone is exposed to these organisms, but our immune system usually keeps them at bay. We will take a look at traditional and a few natural treatments to keep your toes happy and healthy. Terbinafine hydrochloride cream 1% antifungal cream may be used for treating toenail fungus, but there are challenges with the oral version of this medication. The tablet form, such as the Turbinex brand, while effective, may be harsh on the liver and can cause extra problems. Take it for only 2 weeks instead of the recommended 6 weeks if other measures in the treatment regimen are being followed consistently. If a longer duration of treatment is necessary, regular liver function checks are essential due to the potential liver damage caused by terbinafine hydrochloride. You may want to try 2 natural remedies that can potentially help get rid of toenail fungus with fewer side effects. One remedy is soaking feet in a solution of Epsom salts and water, while the other is using tea tree oil, which is a natural antifungal compound. While tea tree oil can be applied directly to the skin, it's potent and may cause irritation in some individuals. If you have sensitive skin, consider diluting the tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. A typical dilution ratio is 1 part tea tree oil to 1 or 2 parts carrier oil. Use a cotton ball, apply a small amount of tea tree oil to the affected toenails. Make sure to cover the entire nail surface and the surrounding skin. Let the tea tree oil absorb into the nail and surrounding skin. It's best to leave it on without washing it off for at least 10 to 15 minutes to allow for maximum effectiveness. For best results, apply tea tree oil to the affected toenails twice daily. Both remedies are more affordable and may provide faster results compared to traditional medication. Another simple and inexpensive cure for toenail fungus is iodine. By applying 1 drop of iodine on the affected toenail every day, the fungus will be inactivated and eventually eliminated. Some people may not like the bright yellow color that regular iodine leaves on the nail, so you may consider using decolorized iodine or povidone iodine instead. It typically takes several weeks to a few months for the toenail fungus to be completely eradicated. During this time, the affected toenail will gradually grow out, and new, healthy nail growth will replace the infected portion. Consistency is key to achieving successful results with iodine treatment. Even if progress seems slow, it's essential to continue the treatment regimen without interruption. It helps to know that toenail fungus typically remains localized and does not infiltrate internal organs, such as the stomach. These fungi thrive on keratin, a protein present in hair, skin, and nails, with the skin being their preferred habitat. Neglecting treatment for toe fungus can lead to its spread to adjacent toenails or to the skin of the foot, potentially resulting in athlete's foot. One of the most severe consequences of untreated nail fungus is the possibility of requiring surgical removal of the affected nail. It's important to cure toenail fungus due to its unsightly nature and potential health risks. Make sure to follow a low to no carbohydrate, high healthy fat or ketogenic diet to make the body less hospitable for fungus, yeasts, bacteria, and viruses. Yeasts in particular love sugar. Fungus thrives in dark, moist, and warm environments, such as shoes. Keep them in well-ventilated areas, going barefoot, getting daily sun exposure, using apple cider vinegar soaks, Vicks salve, and practicing good hygiene. The process takes at least 6 months for the old, damaged nail to grow off and be replaced by a new, healthy one. Follow these natural remedies along with a low to no carbohydrate diet, and your toes will be tickled with joy. If fungus persists after this time, you should consult a doctor to check for potential immune system issues. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips, and we'll see you in the next video.